case study based question from chapter 3. So a computer animation video shows a mouse moving in a straight line. Its movement is given by the equation. So first equation we are given here. T is equal to 2h plus 4, where h is the height above the ground and t is the time in second. After it starts moving, ठीक है, जब मूव करना शुरू हुआ तो उसके बाद का ये इक्वेशन है t is equal to 2h plus 4. In the same animation, a cat starts moving at the same time and it moves along the line. 12h minus t is equal to 66. So here you are given second equation. And the figure is also given. These are the two straight lines. So it is for mouse and it is for cat. That is 12h minus t is equal to 66. And the second equation here it is t is equal to 2h plus 4. And this point is A, which is the point of intersection. A is the point of intersection. Based on the above situation, answer the following questions. So first question is, system of equations or system of linear equations are said to be inconsistent if it will have A option, unique solution, if it will have A option is unique solution, option B infinite many solutions, and then option C, no solution, and option D is two solution. So from here you can write your answer in chat box or you can raise your hands. Which is the right option? System of linear equations are said to be inconsistent. Inconsistent की condition क्या होती है? Very right answer. So if there is no solution, that is part C. So many students are giving right answer. Your answer is part C. So next is second part. Question number 2. Standard form of given equations are So first one, A option, P minus 2H is equal to 4 and 12H minus 3 is equal to 66. B option is minus 2H plus T is equal to minus 2 is equal to 0, and the second is 12H minus T minus 66 is equal to 0, and the C option is T is equal to 2H plus 4 and T is equal to 12H plus 66. The D form is 2H is equal to T minus 4, 12H is equal to T minus 66. So which is the right answer? Standard form में इनमें से कौन सी equation है? So many students have given the response B. So B is the right answer. B वाली standard form में है. Standard form में equations क्या होती है? AX plus BY plus C equal to 0. ठीक है? जिसमें हम इसको लिखते हैं A1X plus B1Y plus C1 equal to 0 and A2X plus B2Y plus C2 equal to 0. Here X and Y are variable. Here H and B are variable. So B option is the right answer. Next is third part. The pair of linear equation given in the situation has the pair of linear equation given in the situation has A part, unique solution, B part, infinite planning solution, and the C part, no solution, and the D part is two solutions. So again, you can write your answer in the chat box. Okay, so many students have written answers. तो आपको जो pair of linear equation given है, there it is mentioned there is one point of intersection. ठीक है? Otherwise आप यहाँ से भी देख सकते हो ratio of coefficient of first variable -2 over 12 is A1 over A2 and the second is 1 over -5 1 over B2. So it will be -1 and it will be -1/6. So both are not equal. So we can say A part, unique solution. Clear? We cannot say infinite many solutions. Point of intersection, pair of linear equations. आपको क्या होता है वहाँ पे ऐसे equations बने हैं दोनों की. So there is one point of intersection A in the figure. Figure में इसमें एक point of intersection है. अगर one point of intersection है तो there will be one solution you need not to check the ratios. लेकिन अगर आपको फिगर नहीं given है, then you can check by this method. If A1 over A2 not equal to B1 over B2, then only one point of intersection, that is unique solution. So answer is option A. Clear? तो कैसे इसको लिखना आंसर? Answer option A, that is unique solution. आपने सारे आंसर ऐसे सैपरेट करके लिखे. The next is fourth part. The cat will catch the mouse at a height of. The cat will catch the mouse at a height of A part 18 meter, B part 7 meter, C part 5 meter, and D part 6.2 meter. But in the statement it is not given that height is in meter. So there you can make correction. You can write height is in meter. So cat will catch the mouse at a height of. You have to find that height. So here to find the height, क्या करना पड़ेगा? इन ऑप्शंस में से क्या आंसर होगा? तो you have to find the point of intersection, और point of intersection में आपको, अगर आपको ये ग्राफ ऐसे गिवन है, सपोज इट इज लाइक दिस, ये वाली हाइट आपको h की वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करनी है. ठीक है, कैसे फाइंड आउट करेंगे? पॉइंट ए के कोऑर्डिनेट्स में आपको किसकी वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करनी है? h की. क्लियर? तो क्या करें, यहाँ पे आपके पास ऑलरेडी इक्वेशंस जो है उसमें t की वैल्यू हम लिख सकते हैं. फर्स्ट इक्वेशन वाज t is equal to 2h plus 4. It was equation number 1, and in equation number 2 it was 12h minus t is equal to 66. So from here the value of t will be 12h minus 66. So these both are the values of t. So let me read equation number 2. इसको हमने equation number 2 ले लिया. Now compare 1 and 2. From 1 and 2, both the values are of t. So point of intersection 2h plus 4 is equal to 12h minus 66. From here, find the value of h. So 66 plus 4, 70 is equal to 12h minus 2h. That is 10h. So value of h has become 70 divided by 10, that is 7. So what should be the answer at a height of 7 meter? आपको height पता चलेगी. We are not asked the distance. और आपको एब्सिसा ने पूछा, ऑर्डिनेट पूछा है. So we have found only ordinate. आप point of intersection भी find out कर सकते हो. Good response. So many students are giving right answer. So here, what will be the answer? Option number B, that is 7 meter. Option number B, that is 7 meter. Right? So many students are giving response. So fifth part. Now you have to find the time. ठीक है, अब यहाँ पे डिस्टेंस भी बोला, आपको टाइम बोला, और यहाँ पे है हाइट। तो टाइम फाइंड आउट करना है। नेक्स्ट इज number 5. The cat will catch the mouse. The cat will catch the mouse after. अब यहाँ पे आपसे क्या पूछा है, टाइम पूछा है। After 8 seconds, B is 18 seconds, C is 5 seconds, and D is 6.2 seconds. So here, corresponding to value of this H, you have to find the value of T. So many students have given right response. So hurry up, do fast. Those who can solve, do fast. Now what is there? We have found the value of H equal to 7. Means ये जो आपने point of intersection find out किया था, उसमें आपके पास ordinate H की value कितनी होगी? That is 7. अब इसके according आपने abscissa find out करना, means T find out करना है. So we can substitute the value of H equal to 7 in any of the equation. ठीक है, हम किसी भी इक्वेशन में डाल सकते हैं, either in equation number 1 ये वाली, or in equation number 2. Clear? So what is equation number 1? Put H equal to 7 in equation number 1. So T will be equal to 2 into 7 plus 4. That is 18. So what is the right answer? Option B, 18 seconds. So many students have given the right answer. So what is there beta in your board exam? Case study based question consists of 4 marks. Here in this question there will be 5 MCQs. Out of those you have to attempt 4. तो क्या मैटर है कि बेस्ट 4 जो है वही चेक होते हैं। अगर आपको 4 बेस्ट आते हैं, यू कैन ट्राई डायरेक्टली। अगर कोई डाउटफुल है, यू कैन डू एट द लास्ट, लेकिन उसको छोड़ना नहीं है, यू हैव टू अटेम्प्ट ऑल द 5। और इनमें कहीं पे भी सॉल्यूशन चेक नहीं होता, यू हैव टू फाइंड द पॉसिबल शॉर्टेस्ट वे आउट्स टू फाइंड आउट द सॉल्यूशंस, क्योंकि एमसीक्यूज हैं तो फाइनल आंसर जो वही होगा जो आपने हैंड में लिखा होगा। नेक्स्ट इज some extra questions we are going to do. So find the value of A for which the following pair of equations have no solution. So pair of equations you are given here 3x plus 2ky is equal to 2 and 2x plus 5y plus 1 is equal to b2. So here we have to find the value of k and we should know the condition for no solution. Clear? So we can write second equation is already in standard form. So we can write the first equation in standard form. We have 3x plus 2ky minus 2 is equal to 0. That will be equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. So for no solution, we have the condition a1 over a equal to B1 over B2 not equal to C1 over C2. That is, lines should be parallel. इनकी lines parallel होनी चाहिए. Clear? So what is that? Substitute the value A1 over A2, that is 3 over 2 is equal to B1 over B2 2K over 5 not equal to over 1. इसका मतलब ये है कि आप जो भी वैल्यू रेशियो निकालो दैट शुड नॉट बी इक्वल टू 2. वो 2 के इक्वल नहीं होनी चाहिए. So those who have found the solution, they can write the answer. So from here, find the value of k. If we compare these two, 3 over 2 is equal to 2k over 5, which implies the value of k कितनी होनी चाहिए आपके पास 5 to the 15 over 4 is equal to k. ठीक है, तो k की ये वाली वैल्यू आपका आंसर होगी. Next is yes, write the answer. Those who are sending their answer in the chat box. Next is question number 3. Solve the following system of equations. Question number 3. Solve the following system of equations. The first equation is 5 over x plus y minus 2 over x minus y is equal to minus 1. And the second equation is 15 over x plus y y is equal to 10. अब यहाँ पे ये नहीं लिखा है y reducing reach to linear equation, तो आप डायरेक्टली भी कर सकते हो 1 over x plus y and 1 over x minus y की वैल्यू लेके, जैसे थोड़े से बच्चे ऐसे करते हैं डायरेक्ट. अदरवाइज बेस्ट में क्या है, we can substitute the value of x plus y as u and the value of x minus y as v. Then it will become much simpler. So start those who know the method. हम क्या करेंगे, सबसे पहले इनको सॉल्व करने के लिए क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 और क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. So let 1 over x plus y is equal to u and 1 over x minus y is equal to v, and put in equation 1 and 2. तो आपके पास इक्वेशंस क्या रहेंगी, फर्स्ट दोनों इक्वेशंस में इसकी वैल्यू डाल दो. इट विल बिकम 5 u minus 2v is equal to minus 1, and second equation will become 15u plus 7v is equal to 10. So we can number these equations. Let it be equation number A and let it be equation number B. Now what is there here? We can see we can multiply the first equation by 3. Equation number A into 3 minus equation number, sorry, it is equation number B. Equation number A into 3 minus equation number B implies that. तो फर्स्ट इक्वेशन को हमने 3 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया, ये वाली को 15u minus 8 का 6b is equal to -3 and here 15u plus 7b is equal to 10. Now what is the next step to change the sign because we are subtracting? So it will become -6 minus 7 minus 13b is equal to -13. So from here the value of v is 1. आपके पास v की value 1 आ गई, right? Now we have to find the value of u. Clear? Put this value of v in equation number 1. In equation number, sorry, it is equation number 8. So here it will become 5u minus 2 into 1 will be minus 2 is equal to -1. So 5u is equal to here -1 plus 2 it will become 1. तो आपके पास u की वैल्यू कितनी हो जाएगी 5. Now you can put the values of u and v. Right answer. So many students are giving right answers. Now original values we have to substitute. The value of u and v. What is u? It is 1 over x plus y. So 1 over x plus y. It is the value of u. और वो आपके पास कितनी थी 1 over 5. Taking reciprocals. So x plus y is equal to 5. And second value v जिसको आपने कैलकुलेट किया है 1. So 1 over x minus y is equal to 1. Taking the reciprocal x minus y is equal to 1. Now let it be equation number 3 and equation number 4. Once you add the equations and once you subtract the equations, you will get the answer. So equation number 3 plus equation number 4 implies दोनों को ऐड कर दिया x plus x it will become 2x, y minus y by 2 लेंगे is equal to 6. So value of x will be 3. आपके पास x की वैल्यू 3 हो गई. Now you can substitute the value of x in equation number 1. तो आपके पास value of y कितनी हो जाएगी So here x plus y is equal to 5. 3 plus y is equal to 5. Which implies y is equal to 5 minus 3. So y is equal to 2. So what is your answer? X is equal to 3 and y. So many students are giving right answers.